today's video is going to be a two-strand twist, and right now my hair is washed. It's going to be on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be parting it in 2/4. I've had the back already parted. I don't know if you guys can see this. And then I just I'm going to be putting in some product, and then I'm going to be going ahead and twisting away. So if you guys want to see how it's done, make sure you stay tuned. Thank you. So basically, this is the product I'm going to be using. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to be putting that in my hair because I want that moisture in my hair. And I'm just going to be using this much, just to have that moisture, that leaf, that nice feel. So that's done. Then I'm going to go to this side.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Now I'm just going to go through with my mixture of herb. So this is hair fertilizer mixed with Indian herb, or like the hair grease. I'm just gonna go through that with my scalp, on my scalp. And then I will be starting to twist away, starting with from the front. So I'm just going to try and do the back first. baby.